Good morning, everyone. Please look at the presents.
Ah, wow, there are so many beautiful presents today. Presents, presents, I see many presents.
Just assets for beds, 5 to Prenras. Yes, these are Christmas presents for our family.
Let us sit down together around the tree.
Now we can open the gifts slowly together.
I feel very excited and happy today. Open, open. I want to open now.
This gift is for Sophie, my dear.
For me, really? I am very happy. Yes, this special gift is for you. Thank you very much, everyone, today. It is a doll, and it is very cute.
I am very happy you like the doll.
I will take good care of my doll. That makes me very happy, Sophie.
Are you ready for your gift, Leo?
Me my present, please. Hey-ya! This gift is for Leo now.
Yes, Leo. This gift is for you.
Car, car. I see a car.
It is a toy car just for you.
I like my car very much. Leo looks very happy today.
Christmas makes everyone happy.
Oh, look! Snowy likes the paper.
Snowy is playing with the paper.
Shadow is running and playing.
Dog, dog, and cat are very funny.
Shadow is full of energy today.
Snowy feels playful and happy.
This gift is for Michael and Laura.
Thank you very much, Jack.
Ooh. It is a beautiful photo frame.
I love this gift very much.
It is very nice and special.
We will put it in our living room.
Christmas gifts bring warm hearts.
I love you. Right. This is a lovely family moment.
This gift is for Grandma Anna.
Thank you, Sophie. You are sweet.
This gift is very nice.
I am happy you like it.
Thank you, family. I feel happy.
No, Whiffy sins. We are glad you are here.
Christmas is about family, love. Love.
I enjoy these quiet moments.
Let us drink something warm now.
I would like hot tea, please.
I want hot chocolate, please. Milk for me, please. Warm drinks feel very nice.
This is a calm, happy time.
I feel warm inside my heart. Milk is warm and good.
Look outside at the snow.
Snow is falling very softly.
Christmas looks beautiful outside. Snow, snow. I like snow.
Snow makes Christmas very special.
This moment feels warm and calm.
Today is a very happy day.
I love Christmas very much.
Love, love Christmas.
Snowy is calm and sleepy.
Shadow is warm and happy.
Pets enjoy Christmas too. Yes, everyone feels the love.
Thank you, everyone, for this day.
This is a special family time.
Thank you for watching our story. No. Bye-bye. See you.
See you in the next episode.